We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In this video, we will discuss about split surface in Revit. Using split surface tool, you can split a topo surface into two distinct surfaces and edit those surfaces independently. You can also assign different properties to each area, such as material. These are the examples for split topo surface applied in architectural site plan. For showing split surface tool, here we are opening a site plan. The tool is on massing and site toolbar. This is the icon for split surface. This comes under modify site panel. Here our aim is to apply two different materials to this site. In normal case, we can apply only one material on this site. Here I will show you a demo. Now you can see the material is applied on the entire site. Next we demonstrate how to apply dual material on this site. For that, click on split surface and select the site. Using draw tools, you can define the split boundaries. Click on Finish button to exit from the tool. Now this site is splitted. Now we can apply different material on each area. Now you can see the topo surface splitted and apply two materials. Thank you for watching this video.